Hello everybody and welcome to another Ipsy unbagging. Okay, I'm excited to see what's in this month's bag because I did update some of my preferences and I remember what I picked. So let's see what Ipsy sent me to go with that. And this month's bag looks like, oh, that is so cute. Red with pink hearts. It's half unzipped already. That is cute. I didn't even see previews for this bag. I was not really looking. And, oh, there's stuff outside the bag. Okay. Good thing I checked. Alright. That's everything that was in the bubble mailer. So outside the bag, we have a brush because I like to get brushes. Brushes are high on my list of preferences. And this is from MOTD. And this is the E333. Your Time to Shine. It is this lovely little brush here, very soft, a little brush, and it has this, glittery, hollow glittery handle, and there is the description on the brush. I'm not familiar with this brand. I don't even know what the brand is called. It's MOTD. And it's the E333. That is super soft. That is really nice. And then the one thing I chose, my pick this month was the Sulwasu Advanced Care Activating Serum. And there's that little guy there. And that is an 8mm or 0.27 fluid ounces. And there is the front of that little guy. And I've heard other people try it. I've heard it's also really expensive. But I figured I wanted to give that a try because I could. And oh, there's a little information in there. Okay, so that is the item I picked. And the brush was something extra. I mean, not an extra item. It was just, something that Ipsy picked for me. So let me get these back in the box. And let's see what else Ipsy picked for me. So I picked this. Ipsy sent me a brush, and then this bag is pretty full. So there's only going to be 3 more things in here. The first thing is quite large. It is, what is this? R&Co Sun Catcher Power C Boosting Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, I don't know. You probably couldn't see that the whole time I was reading it. But that is R&Co Advanced, what is this? Power C Boosting Leave-In Conditioner. Why would you need, I don't know. But that is that. It is, oh, it's not a spray, it's a little pump. Okay. It's very heavy feeling. I guess that's it there. Okay, cool. It's a leave-in conditioner. And then we have something in bubble wrap and a tube. So we'll go with the tube, which is, looks like a lipstick. From Context, it is, it doesn't say there. Okay, Context. Running Free. Okay, I'm guessing it's a lipstick. That's all I can see on it. Let me, oh, it's not gray, it's black. Oh, that is, okay, put the cap off. That is interesting. The wrapper was not clear. It was sort of this grayish, so it made it look different. Does it actually say on here what it is and I can't read it? That's distributed by, and that is the Running Free. Okay, doesn't really say. So it is a lipstick from Context. That is what the component looks like, and it is in the shade Running Free 117. And that is what it looks like. Let me swatch that for you. Hopefully I can. That is a really odd curve on that bullet. I can't swatch very well with this hand, but right at the moment anyway. Kind of a sheer color, sort of a pinky peachy nude, I guess. Definitely interesting, so that feels nice. Very creamy and smooth. Okay, and then excuse me, in a compact, or in the bubble wrap, which is also pink, very pink, We have a pressed pigment duo from Shayna B, Miami. Okay, I think I had one of these a long time ago and it was like in cream or something. It was very neutral looking. And what is this? Does this shade have a name? MIA Mauve and Ice Palace. Okay, and that is what the shades look like there. Let me swatch those and see how they look. They are both mattes. Oh, actually, no. I take that back. That is not a matte. That is a satiny shimmer. So, ooh, that is a very pretty mauve on top. And then the other one is called, I don't know, Pink Ice, I think. Ice Palace. So that's MIA Mauve and then Ice Palace. That is pretty. I think I'll actually enjoy that. Like I said, last time I got one of these, it was probably like a brown neutral shades. And those are shades that I find very unappealing. Whatever color it was, I got rid of it. I think maybe it was coral. It was something that I thought was an atrocious color. And then that is it. The last thing in here is Full Hearts. It is the card, and this month it does tell me everything that's in here, and it does have retail prices. So we'll go over those really quick. The R&Co leave-in conditioner. Retail of a full size is $32. This one is 30 mils and a full size is 119 mils. The Context Skin Matte Lipstick. It is matte, okay. In Running Free, it is $20, and this is full size. Next, the Suwasu Activating Serum. Full size is 60 mils for $89, and this one is 8 mils. And then the Shayna B Pressed Pigment Duo. This is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of 10 grams is $20, and this one has 2.1 grams. And then finally, the MOTD Cosmetics brush is $12. So that is everything that came into the... Excuse me. That is everything that came in this month's box. So we have the brush, the Suwasu serum, the leave-in conditioner, a full-size lipstick, and a lovely Shayna B little eye duo. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want YouTube to notify you next time I upload a video, go ahead and hit the little notification bell and they'll send you a notification. Easy as that, right? Until my next video, take care of yourselves and I'll see you later. Bye.